Home security is a top priority for many homeowners. With advancements in technology, there are numerous gadgets and devices available that can help protect your home and give you peace of mind. In this video, we will explore the top 10 home security gadgets that are both innovative and effective in safeguarding your property. From smart cameras to doorbell systems, these gadgets can enhance your home security and provide you with valuable features to keep your home safe. Number 10. Smart doorbell cameras. Smart doorbell cameras have become an integral part of modern home security systems. These devices are equipped with high-definition video cameras that capture a wide-angle view of your front porch. They use advanced motion detection technology to notify you when someone approaches your door. Many models also include cloud storage options, enabling you to review recorded footage. Some advanced smart doorbell cameras even offer local storage, ensuring that your footage remains secure. These gadgets are designed to withstand various weather conditions and often have night vision capabilities, allowing you to see clearly even in low light or darkness. The two-way audio feature enables you to communicate with visitors, whether it's a delivery person or an unexpected guest, all from your smartphone. Number 9. Wireless home security systems. Wireless home security systems are designed for user-friendliness and customizability. They typically come with a central control panel, sensors for doors and windows, motion detectors, and a keypad for arming and disarming the system. The sensors communicate wirelessly, reducing the need for extensive cabling. Advanced models may include indoor and outdoor cameras, and some even have environmental sensors to detect changes in temperature or humidity. These systems allow you to customize security settings, control, and monitor your home remotely. Some systems also integrate with voice assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant for voice control. Number 8. Smart locks. Smart locks offer convenience and enhanced security for your home. They replace traditional locks and keys with digital access controlled through a smartphone app. You can lock and unlock your doors remotely, check their status, and provide access to family members, friends, or service providers. Some smart locks also include keypads for entering access codes, and others are equipped with biometric features like fingerprint recognition. Many models are compatible with virtual assistants and can be integrated into your smart home ecosystem. In addition to providing a record of who enters and exits your home, smart locks offer peace of mind through alerts and remote access control. Number 7. Indoor security cameras. Indoor security cameras come in various shapes and sizes, with features tailored to your needs. They offer high-resolution video recording that can be stored locally or in the cloud. Advanced models provide two-way audio, allowing you to communicate with family members or pets while you're away. Night vision capabilities ensure you can monitor your home around the clock. Some indoor cameras also offer advanced features like facial recognition, distinguishing between familiar faces and potential intruders, and sending you alerts accordingly. These cameras are essential for keeping a watchful eye on your home's interior, helping you ensure your family and property safety. Number 6. Window and door sensors. Window and door sensors are simple but effective tools for home security. They consist of two parts. One is attached to the door or window frame, while the other is attached to the door or window itself. When the two parts separate, an alarm is triggered. They are easy to install and come in various forms, including magnetic, acoustic, and infrared sensors. These sensors can be connected to your central security system, and many are battery-powered, ensuring they remain operational during power outages. Door and window sensors are crucial for alerting you to potential breaches, providing an early warning that someone may be attempting to enter your home. Number 5. Outdoor security cameras. Outdoor security cameras are your eyes on the perimeter of your home. They are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions and provide clear video footage. These cameras typically include motion detection capabilities, allowing them to capture footage when movement is detected. Many outdoor cameras have night vision technology, ensuring that they can see in low light or complete darkness. Some models also have built-in sirens and two-way audio, enabling you to communicate with visitors or deter potential intruders. They offer peace of mind by allowing you to monitor your property from anywhere and serve as a powerful deterrent to would-be trespassers. Number 4. Smart smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Smart smoke and carbon monoxide detectors are essential for protecting your family from potential hazards. They are equipped with advanced sensors that can detect smoke and carbon monoxide in your home. In the event of an emergency, these detectors not only sound an alarm but also send alerts to your smartphone, ensuring that you are aware of the situation even when you're not at home. Some models also provide early warning by detecting subtle changes in air quality. By integrating these detectors into your smart home system, you can take immediate action in response to potential threats and ensure the safety of your loved ones. Number 3. Motion-activated lights. Motion-activated lights are a straightforward yet effective security gadget. These lights use infrared sensors to detect movement and automatically illuminate when someone approaches. They are often used to light up pathways, driveways, and entry points. The illumination not only deters potential intruders by drawing attention to their presence, but also offers added safety for homeowners, ensuring that you can navigate dark areas without fumbling for light switches. Many motion-activated lights are energy efficient, reducing electricity costs while providing enhanced security. Number 2. Glass break sensors. Glass break sensors are designed to detect the distinctive sound of breaking glass. When a window or glass door shatters, these sensors trigger an alarm. They are a valuable addition to your home security system, particularly if you have numerous glass windows or doors. Glass break sensors can work in conjunction with your central security system and can be fine-tuned to distinguish between the sound of breaking glass and other loud noises, reducing the risk of false alarms. Number 1. Video doorbell systems. Video doorbell systems are more than just a camera. They provide a comprehensive view of what's happening at your front door. These systems include a doorbell camera with a high-resolution video feed, motion detection, and cloud recording. They also offer two-way audio, enabling you to communicate with visitors and delivery persons. Some advanced models have built-in sirens that can be triggered remotely to scare away potential intruders. These systems are designed to be a complete solution for home security at your front door, allowing you to answer the door from anywhere and enhancing your overall home security. The top 10 home security gadgets provide a range of features and benefits to enhance your home's safety and security. The technology behind these devices is continually evolving, offering homeowners ever more sophisticated and convenient ways to protect their property. Staying informed about the latest developments in home security technology is essential to ensure that your home remains a safe and secure haven for you and your family.